Hi guys, hope you're doing really well today, and I have quite an interesting news for you. Since the 2020 was not the best year for all of us, we still managed to film some couple cool cars and did video shoots and video interviews with the owners about their car restoration, rebuild, or renovation or preservation stories. So yeah, that's that, and it was really difficult to do it this year because our plans were really big for this year, and then you know what hit us. Yeah, so in the beginning we were quite depressed that nothing gonna be done this year, and it was already mid-June, I guess, when we started to slowly film some few interviews, and yeah, it kind of snowballed after that, because later on in summertime we did more and more video interviews, car shows and car meets. So yeah, it's quite positive actually, despite spring didn't start as promising as we wanted it to be. But yeah, over the next few weeks and months, we're gonna release all the video interviews for our new series. Not like new, but this year's new series about the garage stories. So it's gonna be like part 2, I guess, season 2. Yeah, maybe season 2, garage stories. I don't know, should I make a separate playlist for this year's interviews, or should I just put everything in one playlist? Let me know, guys, in the comments down below. That's that. And another thing, I want to say huge thanks to everyone who helped us via Patreon and donated some money, because it really helped us during this season. The one thing, it covered our travel expenses. Of course, equipment broke, our car broke, and yeah, it was complicated this year, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, thanks to you guys who actually helped us and donated some amount of money. It really helps us, and we are really thankful for that. And if you wish to help us in the future, just head on to the patreon.com/handbuiltcars, and yeah, you can donate as little as $1 or even less. I don't know. I guess you can put your amount there as much as you want, but yeah, I'll be really thankful for that. And yeah, so that's that. And we have actually quite exciting announcement for the future. We're gonna be building a car on this channel, so there's gonna be build series of the car that we're gonna build on this channel. So but that's gonna be probably in February. I don't know how we're gonna financially manage that. And if someone wants to sponsor our build or just donate something, you just feel free. Send me a message via email, handbuiltcars@hotmail.com, or just head on to the Patreon and donate there. So yeah, that's gonna be in February, but until then, just enjoy our filmed videos from this year, 2020, and yeah, hope you like them. And for you guys who are here in UK and wish your car story to be featured on our channel, just send me a message either via email, handbuiltcars@hotmail.com, or on Instagram @handbuiltcars. So, and then probably we're gonna arrange a video shoot for the next season, 2021. Summer probably. And yeah, for those who are outside United Kingdom, I don't know what the travel restrictions will be after the new year, because there's this Brexit thing happening and then lockdown pandemic thing. So yeah, it's kind of hard to predict, but I have a couple cars and a couple builders on my list that I really want to film and capture their stories. They're from France, Germany, Belgium, Sweden, And yeah, but I don't know what's gonna be situation. We're gonna probably see closer to the summer. But guys, if you're from UK, just drop me a message and I would definitely arrange something next season. And yeah, we're gonna put your car on our channel and we'll try to make a dope video for you. So yeah, that's that. And I don't know if I have something else to say. Well, thanks again to those who actually helped us via Patreon. That really means a lot to us. And yeah, so yeah, but until then, just bookmark probably Friday. There's gonna be first video, and I really hope that you will like that car that we're gonna feature and the build story behind that car, because it's quite an interesting story. I personally like it really a lot, and it's unique. Like, to be honest, like I like all the build stories, but yeah, it's definitely one of my favorite ones. And yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. Feel free to comment down below this video about your suggestions for a channel, and feel free like or dislike this video. I don't know, any engagement is a good engagement, I guess. So like or dislike, just press something. If you're not subscribed, subscribe to the channel, because our goal is to hit 500,000 subscribers. So right now we are at 334,000 subscribers, and it's actually quite mind-boggling, like how many of you guys are actually watching this channel. Like, it's something wow, just blows out my mind. Like, so yeah, and yeah, thanks guys, and then probably see you in the next video. But until then, have a good one and cheers guys.